The 5 ranked product is Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker. Review score 4.5. Review count 2,947 ratings. Price 316.71. Customers like the bread quality, ease of use, and performance of the bread making machine. They mention it makes a great loaf of bread, is easy to understand, and works well. Some also like the ease of cleaning. Customers dislike, however, some customers differ on the build quality, value for money, bread shape, and size. The 4 ranked product is Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Bread Maker Machine Artisan and Gluten-Free. 2 pounds capacity. 14 settings. Black and stainless steel. Review score 4.5. Review count 3,737 ratings. Price 134.55. Customers like the bread quality, ease of use, and functionality of the bread making machine. They mention it makes great bread, is straightforward to use, and works well for both gluten-free and pizza dough. Some are also happy with the ease of cleaning. Customers dislike, however, some customers have reported that the noise level is noisy and the quality is poor. The 3 ranked product is Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker Machine. 3 loaf sizes. 19 menu functions: gluten-free, white wheat, rye, French, and more. 2 lbs. Mint. Review score 4.5. Review count 8,064 ratings. Price 74.99. Customers like the functionality, bread quality, and ease of use of the bread maker. They mention it works fine for regular flours, makes bakery quality bread easily, and is easy to understand the recipes. Some appreciate the value for money, size, and color. Customers dislike, however, some customers differ on the build quality. The 2 ranked product is KITCHENARM 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine with gluten-free setting. 2 lb 1.5 lb 1 lb Bread Maker Machine. With homemade cycle, stainless steel bread maker with recipes. Whole wheat bread making machine. Review score 4.6. Review count 5,533 ratings. Price 89.97. Customers like the bread quality, ease of use, and functionality of the bread making machine. They mention it makes wonderful bread and pizza dough. The instructions are very good and thorough, and it performs beautifully. Customers appreciate the included recipe book, saying it has good information on ingredients. Overall, customers say the product is worth the price and pays for itself quickly. Customers dislike, no info. The 1 ranked product is Zojirushi BBPDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. 2 pounds. Loaf of bread. Review score 4.7. Review count 6,943 ratings. Price 390.71. Customers like the bread quality, ease of use, and build quality of the bread making machine. They mention it makes the best bread ever, is simple to follow, and performs exceptionally well. Some are satisfied with the ease of cleaning and noise level. Customers dislike, however, some customers have different opinions on the value for money and size.